So today you're going to look at plate boundaries through Google Earth. So you'll scroll down to today's date, and there's two things that you're going to download. The first is going to be the Google Earth Plate Boundaries worksheet. So click on it, and then click on the worksheet itself, and you will download it into whatever file that you're using. Then what you'll do is you'll hit Next, and you have to download the Google Earth Plate Tectonics file. It's a KMZ file. So you click on it to download it. You'll put it in wherever you're saving your science stuff, and then hit save. Then what you'll do is you'll come over to open up another tab, and you'll look for Google Earth. And then click on it. Once you're here, you're going to launch Earth. Now, that KMZ file that you downloaded, you need to import that into Google Earth. So to do that, you'll come up to where this menu is and click on it. You'll go down to Projects. You'll click Open. And then you'll import the file, the KML file, from your computer. Then open it up. Terrific. So now it's imported. You can close this in the little arrow, make it a little bit smaller, things like that. Here's the file right here. So then you're going to go to your Google Earth worksheet. This is what your Google Earth worksheet looks like. Okay, you have the map with all of the different plates. You have a key right here that you're going to color code. And then you'll have your boundaries and things like that, your coordinates and what the landform is. So what you will do is you will take these coordinates, highlight them, copy, and then go to Google Earth and paste them into where this little magnifying glass is. You'll put them in there and you'll hit paste. And then enter. What it'll do is it'll take you here. Now you can stop it from going down even more. That's fine. You also have controls here that you can use to go down or to go out. This right here tells you what kind of plate boundary it is. So if you click on it, it'll show up as a convergent boundary. You can also look at this and see that it's yellow. Go to your file, your Google Earth Plate things, and look, and yellow is convergent. So you'll take a look at this and you'll kind of go out a little bit. And it'll tell you the names of the different plates. So here's the Nazca plate. Here's the South American plate. And it says that it's a convergent boundary, meaning that the Nazca plate is colliding with the South American plate. You can go down a little bit more. And what kind of landform is this? Well, we know that the Nazca plate is an oceanic plate. And it looks to me like the South American plate. Oh, I just lost it. We'll go back there again. Is continental. So that tells us that the Nazca plate is being subducted underneath the North American plate. Whenever there's subduction, it creates a trench. So what you'll do is you'll go back onto your Google Earth Plate Tectonics thing, and you will put trench as your landform. You're also going to color this part yellow. So where you have the Nazca plate and the North American plate, actually you don't have to color it yellow. You're looking at a continental and oceanic convergent. So you'll come down here and you'll see ocean and continent convergent boundary. You'll make that whatever color you want. Maybe you want to make it red, which is fine. Let's see if we can. There we go. Maybe we want to make that red, so we'll make it red. And then you can insert, you can either use ink, digital inking, or you can insert a shape. And the shape that you insert can go right here, and then use a red color for it so that it matches this. You can also make it a little bit thicker. So if you go to your shape outline and you do weight, it'll be thicker. Okay? And that's essentially how you're going to do this. You're going to then go back, put another coordinate by copy and paste, and then you'll go back to Google Earth. You'll go back to the little magnifying glass here, and you'll put your new coordinates in. Paste. And that's going to take you to your new coordinates. Okay, so if you look at this, this is yellow again. There we go. We can go a little bit further in if we want. Or we can go out. If they're talking about this one, this is a convergent boundary of continent and continent. So you would come over back to your paper, and you do continent convergent boundary, make that a certain color, whatever color you want. I don't know, maybe I want to make that blue. And then you'll draw a line, etc., showing where that boundary is. Because you have continent, you'll put what kind of landform does that make. It doesn't make a trench because there's no subduction when you have continent. What it does make is mountain ranges, though. And there you have it. You'll continue that until you are done this worksheet. And we will be going over it on Thursday. Okay. Have an amazing day.